Let me now crop some parts out. I'm just trying to guide you through because we'll be needing the same shape. We'll be needing the same shape throughout. So kindly stick around with me to the end. Alright guys, welcome to my tutorial video. This is Ali Mabiodun. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be taking us through on how to come about this particular design. It is called, let me show you this particular bed. Alright, how to come about this particular shape. It is called circle geometry. In graphic design, it is called circle geometry. How to come about these particular shapes on our Pixellab. So kindly stick around me to the end of this tutorial video. See you in the tutorial video. Alright, welcome back to my tutorial video. For the sake of this tutorial video, you'll be making use of only an image, just an image, basically to come up with that particular shape. So kindly stick around me to the end of this tutorial video. So the first thing which I'll be needing to do is, first of all, I'm going to bring in my rectangular shape. After beginning my rectangular shape, before I bring in my rectangular shape, I'll first of all make use of my circle shape, because we are dealing with, or let me say, the shape which one will be designing is called circle geometry. So for the sake of this, I will make use of the circular shape. The circular shape, we are going to increase the shape to the highest. Then after doing that, the next thing which we are going to do now is just to centralize that particular shape. After centralizing the shape, then let me lock it so that I will not be touching it. Then after centralizing that particular shape, I will now bring in another rectangular shape. Then I'm going to change it. Let me first of all change its color. Let me just change its color to black. Then after changing it to black, I'm going to turn it to a straight line. Not too tiny. Then I'm going to elongate it like this. Then after doing it that way, then I'm going to make use of my relative position to centralize it, to bring it to the middle. Then I still need to, let me edit. I need to expand it. Like I need to widen it a little bit. I need to expand it a little bit. Then I'm going to make use of my relative position to centralize it as well. I still need to, kindly stick around me to the end. Let me delete this. I still need to elongate it a little bit because it has to cover. Let me first of all make use of my relative, my positioning tool. Let me bring it to this side, and I'm going to elongate it like this. After elongating it, I'm going to click on OK. Then I'm going to be I'm going to be centralizing it first. After centralizing it, can you see it? I think, let me reduce the shape a little bit. Let me reduce, the wideness. It's perfect like this. Then the next thing which I'll be needing to do is just to copy this shape again. I'm going to copy it. Then after copying it, then I'm going to rotate it. I'm not making it. Then I'm going to rotate it like this. Come to rotate, I'm going to change it to 90 degree, because even in our circle geometry in mathematics, we do calculate the degree, the angles. So we are doing the same thing here also. Then after rotating the shape to exactly 90 degree, then I'm going to centralize it that way, so as to make sure that everything is well placed. Kindly stick around me to the end. I'm going to centralize it. After centralizing it, I'm still going to copy the same shape again. After copying it, I'm going to centralize it by making use of the relative positioning tool. Then after that, I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to rotate it again to 45. So you can put it at 145 degree. It depends on the kind of shape which you want to do, so that everything will be well aligned, 145 degree. Then after doing that, I'm still going to copy the shape 145. I think, is it 145? I'm coming 180, that's 19 plus 90, 180 plus 45, that's what, 180 plus 45, that's about 225. So I need to adjust this one to 225 because if you notice that it is not well placed, because everything has to, you need to make use of calculator, like you need to calculate it. So I'm going to bring it to I think it should be 125. Maybe, no, 180. But let me do it this way: 90 plus 45. That's 135. So 135 will be fine. Yeah, 135. Can you see it that it is now well placed? I'm going to make use of my relative position to centralize it again. Yeah, after doing that, I'm still going to copy it again because everything has to be well placed. After copying it, I'm going to make use of my relative position tool. So kindly stick around me to the end of this video. Then I'm going to make use of my rotate tool. Where is it? This is it. Then I'm going to turn it around again. I make use of 145 this time around. Then I'm going to reduce it. I'm going to, I want to place it here. It should be minus 135 now. Because I'm placing it otherwise. So it should be minus 135 so that everything will be well aligned. Yeah, can you see it that everything is well aligned? It's properly aligned. Let me check it. Let me make use of my relative positioning to I think yeah, it's well centralized. So the next thing which I'll be needing to do now is just to bring in another circle shape again. Another circle shape. Kindly stick around me to the end of this video so that you'll not be missing any part of it. After bringing another circle shape, then you are going to make sure that you centralize it, because this is called circle geometry. You are almost making use of circles and and a straight line. So kindly stick around me to the end of this video. So let me go to my relative positioning tool. I'm going to centralize it as well. After centralizing it, I'm going to go to color on my color. Then I'm going to change it to black as well. Yeah. After changing it to black, the next thing which I'll be needing to do now is just to merge everything together. Yeah. I'm going to merge everything so that everything will be one. Then after doing that, I'm going to come to my color remover, or let me say color eraser. I'm going to on it. After owning it, I'm going to click on that particular place. I'm going to select this black. I'm going to mark. Can you see it that those blacks have been removed? Then if you notice that, let me zoom it, that there are some blacks here. Can you see those blacks? That there are some blacks here. I will be needing to get rid of those black. What I'll be needing to do now, let me first of all centralize our circle geometry shape. Then first of all centralize it. After centralizing it, I'm going to go to my color. I'm going to on the color. Then I'm going to change the color to white. Can you see it that we have gotten rid of that particular black something? Can you see it now? So the next thing which you'll be needing to do now is basically to get rid of some parts, because you'll be only needing just only one shape out of it. Then I will show you everything, so kindly stick around me to the end. So the next thing which I'll be needing to do, just go to my eraser tool. Then after going to my eraser tool, I'm going to on this to the highest. I'm going to leave it this one like that. I'm going to just clean everything. I'm going to remain just only one. Kindly stick around me to the end of this video. Please, if this is your first time of coming across my tutorial video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos like this. I normally drop tutorial video on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, including Saturdays. So kindly stick around me to the end. So let me clean everything now. You just need to take your time. Then if you need to zoom it, just click on this place. Then I'm going to zoom like this so that you'll be seeing what you are doing. So let me click on it back. Then I'm going to be adjusting it little by little, so that let me reduce this so that I'll not be touching the main part which I needed. Just have to you have to take your time. We don't need to really be mindful about this because we have already removed it. So I don't need to mind. I just need to get rid of those whites. So kindly stick around me to the end of this video. If this is your first time of coming across my tutorial video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Sorry, I made a mistake. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. So let me take my time to get rid of those whites. I just need to get rid of those whites, because if you notice, I've already removed this black. I've already removed it. I just need to get rid of those whites. I think it's fine. Let me just mark it to see our results. Okay, I still need to get rid of some parts. Can you see this part? Can you see it? So let me go to my eraser again. Just need to get rid of those whites. We just need to get rid of everything because we have already moved that black. Just need to be getting rid of those, those whites. So kindly stick around me to the end. Yeah, I think we've gotten rid of it. Then I'm going to go to my I'm going to go to my crop. I'm going to crop it so as I'll be able to leave that particular one which I needed. I'm just going to crop it. Kindly stick around me to the end. Yeah, can you see it? Let me reduce the size a little bit. I think something is wrong. Let me go to my eraser tool. I want to adjust something. I need to adjust some things. I'll just get rid of the white only. Let me increase this. I can see what I'm doing well. Then let me reduce this a little bit. I just need to take my time. Then let me bring it to this side so that I can get rid of this part. Just need to get rid of only those whites. Kindly stick around me to the end of this video. Yeah, I think it's fine. Let me now go back. Yeah, it's okay. I still need to get rid of those blacks. So kindly stick around me to the end. You just have to take your time. It's because I've already cropped it. That is why I didn't mind to clear everything, because I've already cropped those parts away. I just need to get rid of some, some white part out of, so that it will not be showing in my design. So kindly stick around me to the end. Let me just mark it. I'm coming. I think I will need to take my time. Sorry. You just need to take your time. If you are not seeing, just try to zoom it. Then you are going to click on it back. Oh, sorry, it's too much. You just need to take your time. So let me adjust this here. Then let me get rid of these parts. Okay, let me check it now. I seem to get rid of that particular side. So you just have to take your time. Maybe I can just fast forward it so that we will not be wasting our time. And when you want to do your own, you are going to take your time to do it. Perfect now. Okay, let me crop another. Let me try to crop. You just have to take your time. Just crop all those parts again. Yeah, I think it's perfect now. It's perfect. So the next thing which you'll be needing to do now is just I will be bringing another rectangular shape. I'll begin bringing in another rectangular shape. So kindly stick around me to the end of this video. So I'm coming. Let me just try to get my shapes. Yeah, this is another rectangular shape. Yeah, after bringing in another rectangular shape, I'm going to mark. Then after doing that, I'm going to be bringing this particular shape which I created. I'll be bringing it to the top. Then after bringing it to the top, I'll centralize both shapes. I'm going to centralize it by making use of my relative positioning tool. Then I'm going to centralize this as well. Then after centralizing, I'm going to go to my color, basically to change the color to black. Then after doing that, I'm going to merge both shapes together. After merging it together, then I'm going to come to my color eraser. I'm going to on it. Then I'm going to select that particular black color. Can you see it? Then after doing that, you still notice that there are some black color here, which I'll be needing to get rid of. I'm still going to repeat the same process, or let me say the same procedure I did at initial, by coming to color, on the color, and then I'm going to change it to white, so that those blacks will be getting rid of. Just try to follow my procedure. If you follow my procedure, you are going to get everything perfectly without any mistake. Kindly stick around me to the end of this video. Then after doing that, we have already gotten our shapes. The shape we needed, let me show you. This particular shape, we have already gotten a particular portion of it. It depends on how you want to put your own shape. That is how you are going to divide your cycle. Are you getting it? Well, I'll just stay with me till the end of this video. You actually get what I'm trying to say. So the next thing which you'll be needing to do now is just to import any particular image which you want to be needing. I'm going to be importing it. Any particular image, which you want to be using. Maybe your own image or whatever. So kindly stick around me to the end of this video. So let me just find one image and import it. I'm going to skip this area. Alright, let's say for instance I want to be making use of this particular image. Are you getting it? The first thing which I'll be needing to do is, first of all, I'm going to crop it like this. I only need this, but it is our face to be showing, because that's the main thing, that's the focal point. So after doing that, then I'm going to try to centralize a particular image to this space, to this particular space. Kindly stick around me to the end. I'm going to centralize it here. So let me do that for you. Then after doing that, let me try to increase it a little bit so that it will cover everything. Then I'm going to take this particular image to the back. Yeah. After taking it to the back, yeah, so that I'll be able to place my shape well. Can you see it? Can you see that? Yeah. Then after doing this, the next thing which you'll be needing to do is just to merge the both. No, before you actually merge it together, there is a particular thing which you want to be achieving. That is, you want to be achieving these particular shapes with the pictures repeatedly. So you shouldn't forget that you still be needing this particular shape which we created. So just copy it before doing anything at all, before merging it together. First of all, copy this. After copying it, then you are going to hide it. Then I'm going to go back to the both images. The shapes and the image. I'm going to merge the both together. Merge them together. After merging them together, then I'm going to come to, you can adjust the image. You can adjust it as you like. I'm just doing this for the sake of this video. Then you can just come to your color eraser. Then after coming to your color eraser, you are going to on it. After owning it, you notice that there are some, kind of, let me say, blunt something here. Don't panic. Just reduce your tolerance. Like reduce it to the lowest, to the minimum. I think something is wrong. Maybe I didn't play something well. I'm coming. Let me adjust. Can you see it? I've made a mistake. So let me adjust this particular shape well. I think there's a mistake somewhere. So let me adjust this well. Yeah, I think it's perfect now. Then I'm going to let me increase the size of this. Then let me place this here so that we are trying to achieve the focal point. Just do it this way. Just place it this way. After doing it like that, let me adjust it better. It's not okay like this. Let me adjust it, or let me just reduce the size of the image itself. Then let me adjust this like this. Yeah. After adjusting it together, then I'm going to merge the both shape and picture together. After merging it, kindly stick around me to the end of this video. I'm going to go to my color eraser. I'm going to on it. I'm coming. I have to adjust this. You see, there's a space here. This image might not be the perfect image. I'm just trying to use it for the sake of this video. You can use any image of your choice. It depends on you. Just let me adjust it anyhow. Let me just try to. Coming. Just adjust it the way it suits you. Then let me make the both together. And after doing that, You can just adjust it the way it suits you. Yeah, can you see it? Then you notice this something like scrap, or let me say something like fading something. You shouldn't panic. Just reduce the tolerance to 0. Can you see it? Can you now see it? That we've been able to achieve our effect. Can you see it? Let me show you. Can you see it? Then for you to be able to place it well, just go to the cropping tool. Then you're going to adjust it this way. Adjust it like this. You're going to crop some parts out of it. Adjust like this. And let me mark it. Can you see it? I'm going to reduce its size. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see the results? Can you see the results? Then you're going to be doing the same thing repeatedly. But let me just do this for you so that you can easily understand what I'm trying to say. Then after doing this, after achieving it, let me just hide this. Then I'm going to do another one again so that you understand what I'm trying to say. Kindly stick around me to the end. So let me just first of all change everything to white. I think the black is trying to show. Then let me change everything to white. Then after doing that, then let me just bring in another image. Kindly stick around me to the end. I'm going to be scraping that area because I don't want to be wasting our time. I'm going to skip the part which I'll be bringing in my another image. I followed at initial. Then you first of all, I told you shouldn't forget before doing anything at all. First of all, copy that shape, copy it, then hide it before doing anything because you'll still be needing the same shape. Then we'll be placing it as we like. So kindly stick around me to the end. So after doing that, I've hidden it, I've hid it already. Then I'm going to bring this in particular image. I'm going to take it to the back. After taking it to the back, then I'm going to be adjusting this particular shape. Let me adjust. I'm going to be adjusting it the way I want. Any way you like, you just adjust it anyhow you like. The real thing is the image itself. I think this image is not perfect for what I need. It's not really perfect for what I needed. But let me just adjust it like this. Just need to take your time. Adjust it the way it suits you. Just adjust it the way it suits you. I'm coming. Let me try to adjust that image down. Coming. Let me check maybe to be the perfect image. I think it's perfect now. I think it's perfect. Then after doing that, I'm going to be following the same procedure by merging it together. Yeah. You can place it as you like. It depends on the kind of design which you want to be carrying out. You can just place it the way it will be perfect for you. I'm just doing this for the sake of this tutorial. For the sake of this tutorial. So you can just place it the perfect way you like. So after doing that, we will still be needing to follow the same procedure by just going to our erase color. Then on it. Then the fading something which I told you about, should not panic. Shouldn't be panic. Just reduce the tolerance to 0, and all the fading something will be. Let me show you. Can you see it? Then you are just going to reduce it to the lowest. Then you'll be able to get rid of those fading something. So let me now crop some parts out. I'm just trying to guide you through because we'll be needing the shape. We'll be needing the same shape throughout. So kindly stick around me to the end. So let me mark it now. Then I'm going to reduce it like this. Then I'll adjust this one like this. Then let me on this. No, not this one. Let me on this. Then you can now bring this one into this particular place. Can you see it? Can I just increase this one to the same size with this? Can you see it? Can you see that we have been able to achieve our goals? Can you see? Let me just show you. Can you see it? That we are getting closer to achieving our goals. So you just be doing the same thing repeatedly. You'll be doing the same thing repeatedly. Then after doing the same thing repeatedly, you just be adjusting it. Let me just copy this one so that you can see what I'm trying to say. With the same shape that you've been copying, you just be doing the same thing repeatedly till you achieve your aims. You can do any shapes. just follow the same procedure I showed you to carry out any shape of your choice. If you see any circle geometry shape, you are still going to use the same method to achieve any shapes you like using the circle geometry method. You are still going to use the same procedure to achieve your goals. Can you see it? Let me just try to adjust this like this. Let me try to adjust it like this. Let me reduce it. Let me try to and just place it. Take your time to to place it the way it will be perfect for you. I'm just trying to adjust everything so that you see that we are still achieving the same thing, the same goal. Let me just show you. I'm just going to rearrange everything like this. Can you see it? That we are almost getting to the same point of that particular design. Can you see it? Can you see it now? Let me show you the design. Can you see it? It depends on the kind of design which one will be carrying out. It depends on you. It depends on it. It depends on any type of design you want to be carrying out. Just adjust the circle geometry shape. Just adjust it the way it will be perfect for you, and alas, you'll be able to achieve your goal. So thank you for sticking around me to the end of this tutorial video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video like this. See you in the next tutorial video.